Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're happy to have you. Mr. Lister is here to help you buy or sell your home affordably without a traditional agent. To learn more, subscribe and check out our website in the description. We're also on TikTok and Instagram at Mr.Lister Realty. In today's video, we'll be exploring the contrasting dynamics between buyer and seller markets. So, whether you're looking to buy your dream home or thinking of selling your property, or maybe even doing both simultaneously, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. When it comes to the real estate market, understanding whether it's a buyer's market or a seller's market can make a world of difference. It can greatly impact the strategies employed by both buyers and sellers. So let's start by understanding what each market is. In a buyer's market, the conditions favor the purchaser. Supply exceeds demand, which means there are more houses available for sale than there are buyers looking to purchase. This abundance of options gives buyers the upper hand in negotiations and allows them to take their time when making decisions. Advantages of a buyer's market include lower prices and reduced competition. Sellers may need to make concessions, such as offering incentives or lowering their asking price to attract potential buyers. This puts buyers in a position of power, as they have the luxury of choosing from a wider range of properties and negotiating better terms. However, it's important for buyers to remain cautious during this time. While they have more choices, it's still vital to conduct thorough research and hire a qualified real estate agent to guide them through the process. Patience and careful consideration are key. Now, let's shift our focus to the other side of the spectrum, a seller's market. In this scenario, demand surpasses supply, often leading to multiple buyers competing for the same property. This heightened competition gives sellers more control over negotiations and often leads to higher prices. During a seller's market, homes tend to sell quickly and sellers may receive multiple offers. This creates a sense of urgency among buyers, who may need to act fast and make strong offers to secure the property they desire. In addition to fast sales and potentially higher prices, sellers may have the advantage of less negotiation and fewer contingencies. However, it's essential for sellers to set a realistic asking price and ensure that their property stands out in a competitive market. Professional staging or renovations may greatly enhance their chances of attracting buyers. Take the unicorn years of 20 and 21, for example. Buyers were paying well over asking price, waiving contingencies and inspections, as well as offering to pay tens of thousands of dollars to make up any gap in the appraised value and the sales price. Basically, buyers were giving almost everything short of their firstborn if they wanted a shot at buying a house. Fortunately, this was an extreme situation and not the norm in market standards. As far as 2023 goes, the trends in the Mid-Atlantic show a strong seller's market midway through the year. Buyer demand is steady and strong, but there is less than 2 months' supply of inventory. For the market to be considered balanced, there should be a minimum of 6 months of inventory. This means that there are significantly fewer houses on the market than there are buyers wanting to buy them. This also means that the market value of homes has gone up due to competition among buyers. Why is inventory so low? Right now, sellers who are benefiting from a super low interest rate are sitting pretty. These owners are only moving out of necessity, such as job transfers, or selling second homes or investment properties to help counterbalance the rising cost of inflation. However, the market outlook for the second half of the year suggests that as interest rates start to lower over the next 6 months, sellers may begin to feel more comfortable with rates and will start making moves to better accommodate their current needs. Listings should begin to creep back up, but it will remain a strong seller's market with relatively low inventory. Prices will remain stable and perhaps rise a bit more as we finish out the year. We've laid out the differences in buyer and seller's markets. Now, how do you use that information to determine when you should buy or sell? First of all, the type of market is a factor in your decision, but not the end-all be-all. If you need to relocate for a job, downsize when you become an empty nester, or upgrade when your family grows, waiting for the optimal seller's market to list your current property could delay your sale and put stress on your current lifestyle. Same goes for folks looking to buy their first home or move to a smaller or bigger one. Just because the current market isn't as favorable for buyers doesn't mean it's not a good time to buy. Bottom line, people will always need to buy and sell houses. They just need to factor in the market conditions to help set their expectations as they start the process. So, whether you find yourself in a buyer's market or a seller's market, understanding the dynamics at play is crucial. It allows you to strategize, make informed decisions, and negotiate from a position of strength. Remember, the real estate market is cyclical, and it's important to be aware of the current market conditions in your area. At Mr. Lister, we are always on top of market conditions and trends, and we can help you navigate whichever market we're in. Thanks for watching and learning more about the housing market. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our website in the description. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. See you next time.